Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech Developer. In my last video, we were installing the Ubuntu operating system in the VirtualBox and we paused the video for the installation timing. So the installation is completed now, and after the installation complete, this window will comes up. The installation complete window. There will be two options. One will be the restart now, and the another one will be the continue testing. So we are going to restart the operating system. Let's do the restart of the system. Let's click on this. It will take some time to restart. Let's wait. So system is the VirtualBox OS is getting started. So meanwhile, if you have not subscribed my channel and you are new, I request you kindly subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you doesn't miss any new video notification. So now it is saying please remove the installation medium and then press enter. So press enter. Simply press enter. It will boot up to the operating system Ubuntu. Just wait for the loading. So it is booting up into the Ubuntu OS operating system, and from the optical devices you can remove the disk from the virtual drive if you have not removed it. And once the system will be uploaded, we will install the uh, we will install the guest edition of this particular Ubuntu. It will help you to make the graphics better. So that's why. So just wait for the system to be loaded. Why the system is not loading? Maybe this is the issue with the ISO version that I'm using, but I'm using the latest one. Maybe some issue with the loading time. So let's wait for this to get up. For meanwhile, I'm pausing the video. So our virtual box is getting restarted. So it will take some time. So let's wait. So yes, the Ubuntu startup logo is coming up. So it means it will be getting started now. Our installed operating system is getting loaded. Let's wait for this to up. Yeah, so now the Ubuntu is loaded successfully and it is asking for the password. The username is Ubuntu and password is also the Ubuntu. So after entering that, the it, it will load up the screen. Just wait for it loading. Yes, so our system is being installed successfully. So Ubuntu operating system is installed, and from later videos I will explain you how you can install Java and the VS Code for working with the Java code in the Ubuntu. So please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for continuous notification. So for now we are closing the video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. Take care.